Okay, we're here with our 1980 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2, putting in an inspection port, and that's chosen a 6-inch port. We're going to put it in between the daggerboard trunk and right here where the combing goes. So you just kind of pick a space that's equidistant between the lip of the combing and the trunk. We moved it just a little further forward because of this eye strap here. And what you do is you go find your ports. West Marine, any of the marine supply houses, Jamestown Distributors I think has them also. You get your port. Now don't cut the hole for the outside ring. You want to cut the hole so this inner flange fits in there, and usually that works out if you take the cap off of the outer ring, take the cap, flip it over, trace around it with your pin. And the reason we put this tape down is so that the saw bouncing up and down doesn't mar the deck. And then you get a starter hole, just start it just inside of that line there. This is a half-inch drill bit. And then you take your jigsaw, put it in there, head around the hole, and get it all finished up. We're almost done with this one. And then when you're done, you put your port in, use your hardware with a little bit of sealant around it, and you've got your inspection port for inside your boat. The reason we needed to do it on this one, we've got this cleat that just pulled right out, so that means the little backer block is missing. There's probably remnants of it right there. Nice, and oh, that's nice. So when you look up inside there, you'll see where the backer blocks go. See the holes? We'll put another block in there. There's the back of your mast tube. There's the styrofoam blocks. There's the expanding foam that holds them in place. And back here is the daggerboard trunk and the cockpit. And the biggest thing, the biggest use of this, making this port here, is you can access the boat like that. See what's going on in there. After you're done sailing, a little bit of water, go in there, sponge it out, dry it out, and that way you don't get things getting wet in there and rotting like that piece of wood there. That's it for 1980 AMF Sunfish Sugar 2.